if you want to my lecture video of class 6 to 12, so you can watch my video and like, subscribe, so which will help for your kids or your relative who is involving in a education system. And this is also offline batches, so if anybody want to offline batch, so they can directly contact to me. So this is the information. Now we see that what is prime factor. So prime factor is a topic of multiple and product. Before this topic we have discussed about the divisibility of different number like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 11. So in this video we will discuss about the prime factor. So we have understand about the word prime, and we have also understand about the word factor. Prime we have discussed in a previous video, prime number. So firstly we recognize what is a prime number. So prime number which have only two factors, means it can be divided by itself and it can divide by 1. If any number can divide by itself and 1, so it is called a prime number, like 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. And we have also understand the word factor, which means breaking of number. So now we have given prime factor means what? We have a kinds of number where if we break this number, so we get a prime number. So it is called a prime factorization. If a number by breaking of if we get prime number. So it is called prime factorization. Prime factor. So now see, if I take like 15, okay, so if I break a 15, so I will get 15 can divide by 3, 15 can divide by 5, and 15 can divide by 1. So 3 and 5 is a prime factor of 15. 3 and 5 is the prime factor of 15. So in that way we can find a prime factor of any number. So now we see that the prime factorization method, and we can, after that we will find a LCM of any number by prime factorization method, and we can find a SCF of any number by prime factorization number. So now see, I think everyone have understand about this definition and this topic. Now we see, like we have a given 12. So if we factorize them 12, so we get 2 6 are 12. Now we 2 3 are 6 and 3 1 are 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 is a factor of 12. But there, if we want to see the prime factorization, so only we have a 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is the prime factor of 12. 2 and 3 is the prime of 12. So in that way we can find a prime factor of any number. So we have given a lots of questions, so you can practice it. So now we see a different topic. LCM